Hello Genies! Welcome to RenalGenie tutorial video. In this video we will learn about new release feature permanent patient transfer. Let's jump to the patient transfer page to initiate transfer. Click on the administration and then patient transfer. Click on the plus icon to initiate new transfer. Select patient name, transfer type is permanent. And the to branch is the receiving branch. Click on Initiate Transfer. Once initiated, system will list the patient on the outgoing tab with pending status until the receiving branch either approve or reject the transfer accordingly. In the meantime, this patient is listed as transferring patient with their patient profile is locked from any editing or changes. Now, let's look from the perspective of the receiving branch. This patient transfer is listed on the incoming tab, and upon approval, the patient status is then updated to permanent patient easily. While at the previous branch, the patient status has been updated to discharged. It is that easy. Thank you for watching.